So hello guys. So today I'm going to teach you how you can download and install Microsoft Office on your device. So you need to have internet for this. So what you need to do is to go to your browser and type in Office Deployment Tool. This first option here. Click there. Then hit download. Now open another window. Write in Office Customization Tool. This option here. Then click on the first option. Now here it will set your settings. It will set these settings based on the laptop that you use. So for my laptop is at 64-bit laptop. So you need to come here and choose the version that you want. For me, I'm choosing the 2019 one. These other ones, you just leave them in default. Okay, I'm done there. Then for the next step, you need to choose the language. Select a language that you prefer. For mine, I'll choose United States. Okay, scroll down. You can select other languages if you prefer. You can add additional languages. So once I'm satisfied, I hit export. Then you need to press keep current settings. Then press OK. Then press accept. Then export. Then for the next step, you need to go to your file manager. Then you need to create a new file. Then you're going to name this file Office 2019. Then you need to take these two files here. Then you need to cut and paste them here. Once you have pasted them, you need to right click on here. Then you need to run as administrator. Okay, wait for it to load. Press yes. Yes. Continue. Then you need to go where you have saved this file. It's on my downloads, this file here. Then click OK. Then it will tell you file has been extracted successfully. Then what you need to do next is you need to cut. Then you need to go to this PC. You need to go to local disk C and you paste this file here. As you can see, it's already here. Yes, it's already there. Then for the next step, you need to open your command prompt. You need to run as administrator and you need to type in the following commands. I'll write them in the description, but you can follow along with me. C, D, C, put this, then you put this, and you write Office -2019, press enter, then you write setup dash is configuration.xml. Then all you need to do is to press enter and your download will automatically start. Now I cannot press enter because I already have the Microsoft installed in my device. As you can see, this will be the end product. And now you can be able to access Word freely on your laptop. And that is simply how you can download Microsoft Office for free. So you follow for more content.